हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू InfiniData Academy। तो आज मैं डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ रिगार्डिंग दी स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड टू बिकम डेटा साइंटिस्ट एंड ऑल्सो कि आज के टफ ले ऑफ वाले टाइम में कैसे अपने करियर को नेविगेट करें। आप सबने वो हेडलाइंस तो देखे होगी रिगार्डिंग दी डिफरेंट ले ऑफ्स हैपनिंग इन दी टेक इंडस्ट्री। बड़ी बड़ी प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड एंड सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनीज है, दे आर कॉन्स्टेंटली फायरिंग पीपल and they like we can see day by day different news of such types are coming. So it can be little unsettling for all these techies। काफ़ी issues होते हैं, वो stress में आ जाते हैं लोग, but आपको टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। If you are a person who is having relevant skill set, then you will always be demand in the tech industry. So one such skill is your data science skill. With the right skills and potential, you can build your resilient career in this field and stay relevant. So firstly, let's look at the different layoffs that has been happening. So it is true that tech companies they are doing lot of restructuring and cost cutting, and because of which layoffs are happening. But this is unique. This is not unique to data science. ये जो layoffs हैं, they are happening market wise, and but the good news is the demand for data scientists, it is keep on increasing day by day. This is a very simple chart showing you different industries जो data science currently use कर रही हैं. You can look at these sectors: healthcare, finance, entertainment. All these sectors they rely on data science for core functions. And ये जो demand है, this is not going to go anywhere. This is only going to increase in the near future. So let's discuss about the skills जो आपको चाहिए हैं to become a good data scientist. So here are the essentials. You will need 3 basic foundational technical skills to start in the field of data science. First is programming. Programming में there is Python, which is very popular language, जिसमें you will need to know the data structures of the Python, core concepts, libraries like pandas, matplotlib, numpy, plotly, scikit-learn, pytorch, all this library. Another option for programming is R. R is comparatively less used by Python, and R is also favored by many statistics people. Another skill that is required is SQL. So SQL is very useful and key to unlocking different types of data set, whether it's SQL data set or no SQL data set. You will need to master the different types of querying, filtering and joining data to get the type of final output जो आपको required है. Now the third technical skill required is statistics and probability. So they are the building block for analyzing data, building models and interpreting results. So you will need to brush up on different types of concepts like hypothesis testing, correlation, linear regressions. So these were the very basic skills जो आपको चाहिए to become a good data scientist. उसके अलावा once you get a good grasp of these basics, उसके बाद you will learn more about machine learning. Machine learning में कितने types के algorithm होते हैं, what kind of models are there in the machine learning, different frameworks जो होते हैं, and data visualization, कैसे आप इस data को insights में turn कर सकते हैं and create compelling stories using different visualization tools. And also based upon your interest you can learn more about the deep learning field and also about Gen AI जो आजकल बहुत ही ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में है. Now let's look at the soft skills जो आपको required होंगी. First is communication. Communication is basically जो भी आपके complex idea हैं, बहुत technical and non-technical audience को आपको clearly and clarity के साथ communicate करना है with your presentation skills, with your writing, and you need to make them understand all these ideas and your results to them. Because oftentimes our जो final जो end user है, they can be non-technical, they can be purely business person, or they can be technical as well. So you should master this communication skill to explain your ideas to them in a clear and concise way. Second is प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग इज़ बेसिकली यू नीड टू बी एबल, जो भी आपको डेटा साइंस का यूज़ केस और प्रॉब्लम सेट दिया हुआ है, यूजिंग क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग और योर एनालिटिकल स्किल्स, यूज look at that problem from different angles and see how will you approach it and solve it. Third important soft skill is curiosity. Curiosity is basically never stop learning. You have to be, stay curious about new technology, trend, and different approaches that are being developed in this field. After mastering these technical and soft skills, you can become a data scientist with true adaptability and value. Now you have to focus on building your portfolio projects. That is basically projects that can showcase your problem solving skills and your ability to work on some real world projects. So इसके लिए you can use your own personal data set. If you are working professional, then आपकी company में if there is some possibility to access real data set and create some data science portfolio, mock portfolio project using that, then you can use that. If that is not possible, then you have tons of online resources like Kaggle, GitHub, and various people who have put up their own data set. You can access all these open source data sets and use them to create your portfolio projects that showcases your skills. So data science का जो landscape है, that is constantly evolving and you have to stay ahead of the curve. So उसके लिए what all things you can do? Firstly is constant learning. So you can take online courses for that, attend different workshops. Also data science की field में there are lots of new research paper being published. उनको read करके you can look into implementing those. And second thing is the networking. Networking is connect with other data scientists who are working in this field through online communities, conferences. If there are some events happening, you can go attend those events. And thirdly, and also very important, is stay curious. Be passionate about this field. Be passionate, curious about learning new things that are happening, new advancements and developments that's been happening, so that you can explore this domain to its maximum potential, right? And by continuous learning and staying curious, you will ensure that your skills stay relevant and you create something valuable for this branch and this community.